The legend of Heiva. Heiva was a beautiful princess who was promised to a beautiful chief by her father. With her heart elsewhere, she decided to run away at night, hiding in a drum. Ruahatu, the god of the sea, carried her to Huahine, where she was discovered by the inhabitants of the island. Fearful of revealing her identity, she was forced to dance at the celebration of the god Tani. The crowd became mesmerized by her dancing, and Tanef falls in love with her and takes the form of a sacred bird. Dancer 198, Jordan Mabutas. Awesome. Let's hear it for dancer 198.